Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So let's move on to the next problem. 1283, and we have four more problems to complete the binary sketch list. So find the smallest divisor given a threshold. Given an array of integers, we have an array of integers named nums and an integer threshold. We will choose a positive integer divisor. Divide all the array by it. Okay, we'll divide the nums with it and sum the divisions result. We'll sum those up, find the smallest divisor. Find the smallest divisor such that the result mentioned above is less than or equal to threshold. Each result of the division is rounded to the nearest integer greater than or equal to the element. Example 23. Ah, so let's go. Each result is used in the find the smallest divisor so that the result mentioned above is okay. Define slash five satisfy let's call it let's name the function um, we have to check if a user is compatible. The user compatible compatible division. It's not I for num if we need to result equals to zero, result plus equals to the ceiling division, which is num plus division division. Return result less than or equals to threshold. it is true, then it's fine. So what should we do? We have to find a divisor, and the divisor will be between, if you choose 9, let's see the constants first. The length of numbers between 1 and 10, 5 to 10 to the power of 4, and elements will be between 1 and 10 to the power of 6, and length of numbers is less than or equals to threshold. Okay, threshold will be between the length of numbers and 10 to the power of 6. So that is between the maximum possible value maximum possible element in the list. So let's see, if you take the maximum value, then the division will be 0, 0, 0 and 1. So the threshold should not be correct. The threshold can be, well, the threshold cannot be greater than the maximum element in the nums. So that order of, so we got the left bound, which is the maximum element. Sorry, is it the left bound? No, it is the right bound. So the maximum value is the right bound. The threshold cannot be, not the threshold, the user cannot be greater than the maximum element. And equals to maximum of num. This is the right threshold. And where do we start the divisor from? We have to return the smallest divisor. We have to return the smallest divisor, right? So let's start with 1 and maximum number. Like maximum is equal to l plus w. If completely is, then if it is compatible, let's reduce. Let's see reducing it. Reducing it will be the same threshold. So how do we reduce it? How do we increase it? Then, try running it and test the submission. Got the answer. So now let's submit it and see how it will work. If it works fine, then let's start discussing intuition. This is not very much different from the previous problem, which is capacity to ship. So I'm submitting it and see how it is working. But it is working fine and seems like it is one of the optimal solutions, and C is the other optimal solution. L and H. Well, it's doing the same thing as me. So what we're doing here is we're doing the binary search between one and the maximum possible element, one and the maximum possible element, which is maximum of the list. How do we choose the maximum of numbers? Because if it is said that threshold will be at least the length of numbers. So if you take the maximum value and divide all others with the maximum value, it will give, if all the elements are maximum, then it will give the total sum will give the length of numbers, and anything above the maximum element will return 0. Actually, since okay, will return 0. So but we are seeing this seal division, but even though like it will give the length of the numbers, but the problem is we have to fetch the minimum possible value. So anything above the maximum of numbers is uh, like can be qualified, which will give the length of the numbers, but we need the minimum value. So we have to narrow down as much as possible. So we took the max of numbers, and L is 1. We did the same thing. So from starting from 1 to maximum number, just like that, we take the 1 and the maximum number and binary searching between the minimum and the maximum possible values. If it is compatible, then we can decrease the divisor. So to decrease, we will shift the right index to the middle, and to increase, we will shift the left index to the middle. If we keep on decreasing, then the result will increase, because as the divisor decreases, the resulting division will be a maximum possible number. And finally we are returning the L where both R and L meets. we can written R2. That's not a problem. So I hope you guys understood the intuition. If you like the video, upload it, share it with your friends and share it with your friends and community. Subscribe to the channel and comment um, clear if you understood it, or else you can ask the doubt, and one should not hesitate to ask doubts. Thank you for choosing the channel, and we'll meet you again with another video. Until then, goodbye, guys. Keep so keep pushing hard until then, and, and keep working. Thank you again.